Good morning, students. Now in chapter 7, integrals. Next topic is integrals of some particular functions in exercise 7.4. As we know that in case of integration is known as antiderivative also. In case of integration, we have to convert the given question in integrable form. So in integrable form means which can be integrated. So to convert in integrable form, we can use partial fractions and we can completing square and then we can use the formula. Clear? So in this exercise, we are going to learn about integrals of some particular functions. To open exercise 7.4. So integrals of some particular functions, we have to learn these formulas. First formula is integration of dx upon x square minus a square is equal to 1 upon 2a log x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Second formula, integration of dx upon a square minus x square is equal to 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x plus c. Third formula, integration of dx upon x square plus a square is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. Similarly, integration of 1 upon root x square minus a square is equal to log x plus root x square minus a square plus c. And fifth formula is integration of 1 upon root a square minus x square is equal to sine inverse x upon a plus c. And sixth formula is integration of 1 upon root x square plus a square is equal to log x plus root x square plus a square plus c. So you have to use these formulas. You can use these formulas to integrate. Clear? Now open exercise 7.4. So in exercise 7.4, question number 1, integration three x square upon x की power 6 plus 1 dx. 3x square x to the power 6 can be written as x cube square plus 1 dx. Now put x cube is equal to t. Let x cube is equal to t. We can use here substitution also. Let x cube is equal to t. Differentiating on both sides, then 3x square dx will be equal to dt. So put dt in place of 3x square dx and t in place of x cube. So this will be t square plus 1, which will be equal to tan inverse t plus c. Put the value of t. So tan inverse x cube plus c is the answer. Now next question, question number 4. Integration root 9 minus 25x square. So this will be equal to integration 1 upon root 3 square minus 5 x square, let 5x is equal to t, then 5 dx is equal to dt, dx will be 1 by 5 dt. So you can write it 1 by 5 integration dt upon root 3 square minus t square. Now use the formula of integration dx upon a square minus x square, which will be equal to sin inverse t by 3 and put the value of t. Next question, integration sec square x upon root 10 square x plus 4. So let 10x is equal to t, then sec square x dx is equal to dt. So this will be equal to t square plus 2 square, which will be equal to log t plus root t square plus 4 plus c, and put the value of t. Then you have the answer. Clear? Now next question, question number 11. In question number 11, integration 1 upon 9x square plus 6x plus 5 dx is equal to. Now firstly completing the square, so taking out common 9, one upon 9 taking out, 1 upon x square plus 6 upon 9 can be written as 2 by 3x plus 5 upon 9. Now completing is square, then 1 by 9 integration 1 upon x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus 5 by 9 minus 2 by 3 whole square. This will be equal to 1 upon 9 integration 1 upon x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus 5 by 9 minus 1 by 9 will be equal to 4 by 9. So this can be let x plus 1 by 3 is equal to t. X plus, let x plus 1 by 3. Now see again, firstly completing square, then let x plus 1 by 3 is equal to t, then dx will be equal to dt. So the given question will be equal to integration 1 upon 9 1 upon t square plus 2 by 3 square dt. Now you can use the formula integration dx upon x square plus a square, then you have the answer. Now see the next question of exercise 7.4. Question number 17, integration Question number 12. Integration root 7 minus 6x minus x square. So taking out common minus, then minus x square plus 6x minus 7. Now taking square root of x square divided by 2x and subtract square of 3, which will be equal to integration root minus x plus 3 whole square minus 16. 7 minus 9 will be 16. So 1 upon root minus x plus 3 square whole square minus 16. Now use the negative sign. So 1 upon root, you can write 16 minus x plus 3 whole square. Now let x plus 3 is equal to t. Then dx is equal to dt, then this will be root 4 square minus t square. Now use the formula integration 1 upon root a square minus x square, which will be equal to sine inverse t upon 4 plus c. Now put the value of t, then you have the answer. Clear? Now see the next question. Question number 18. 5x minus 2 integration 5x minus 2 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. So in this question, in this type question, we have to let numerator is equal to a plus d by dx of denominator plus b. Clear? Means numerator is equal to a plus a d by dx of denominator plus b, or a plus d by dx of a plus b into d by dx of denominator you can write. So now 5x plus, and you can find the value of a and b. So 5x minus 2 is equal to a into 2 plus 6x plus b 2a 6ax plus 2a plus b. Now comparing coefficient of x and constant terms, then you can find value of a and b. So comparing coefficient of x, then 5 will be equal to 6a. So a is equal to 5 upon 6. Now comparing constant term on both sides, then minus 2 is equal to 2a plus b. Now put the value of a. You can find b. So b is equal to minus 11 by 3. Clear? Now put the value of a and b. Then 5x minus 2 can be written as 5 by 6 into 2 plus 6x plus minus 11 by 3. Plus minus will be minus, so this will be equal to minus 11 by 3 plus minus minus, so this will be minus 11 by 3 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. Clear? Now this question will be converted in two parts. This will be equal to 5 by 6 taking out 2 plus 6x upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx minus 11 by 3 integration 1 upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. Clear? So first part you can solve by using substitution method, because let 1 plus 2x plus 3x square, then you have numerator. And second part you can solve by completing square, then you have the answer. Okay students, you have to solve exercise 7.4. Clear? So in exercise 7.4, to convert the given question in integrable form, you have to convert it, you have to completing square, then you can use the 6 formulas of any of them. Clear? And if in numerator is not equal to 1, then you have to put you have to use the formula numerator is equal to a plus b into d by dx of denominator, or you can use numerator is equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b, and then find the value of a and b and put it. Then this question will be converted in two parts. First part you can solve by using substitution method, and second part you can solve by completing the square. So you have to complete exercise 7.4 with examples. Okay students, thank you.